Good morning from Grant Family Farm. It's about 10:30 or so in the morning. This morning, the roads were iced over. They had black ice in places. School buses around the area were running about 2 hours late. And my wife took the Yukon in, said it wasn't too bad. But people were going a little slow, which was good. Anyway, the wind's starting to pick up a little bit here. And the wind chill factor is cold. Sally really likes the snow. Her Odo's feeding Molly. Taking a walk down, see the animals at the barn. This ground is just soaked. Can't take much more moisture. So, left the golf cart up there at the shop. Trying not to attract mud back up there. So, I'll tiptoe through here and feed these animals. Here at Penelope's, you want some good stuff. You just get grain and hay today. Oh, don't eat my camera. Let's take a bite of it. The babies, they want some good stuff too. Everybody got fed. The chickens, I only gave me 2 eggs today. And they're not too dirty. Harold sharing grain with the babies. Petunia sharing with the other 2 babies. Yeah, they got quite a bit of grain here. That pretty rooster over there. That's the neighbors. Try to come to see my hands. Come on, Sally Doodle. Hey, let's go. I know, you gotta walk this time. Sure it's cold out here. Sure is pretty though. Those clouds don't look too good. Clear night. Well, this day went by fast. Ooh, the wind's still blowing. It is cold. Also, the snow's melted off, which maybe this wind will help dry the lands out, dry the soil, because we don't need the mud. I want to thank you very much for watching. Have a great night.